Hey, Ressio users. Marie here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you really quick how to hide and unhide your columns. So just to clarify, my estimate has been locked, but I want to take a look at my overall estimate. So if you come to the right-hand side over here, you're going to hit columns, and you can click this on and off, and it'll change as you guys can tell. And also you can still move, let's say you want one line above or below or showing up differently next to something else, you can move those within. So I just want to make note that you can move this. But again, right hand side where it says columns, you can hide and unhide that, and it can change what you are seeing on your estimate. Hope this was helpful. Thanks so much. And if you have any questions, reach out to your customer success coach.